guys, welcome back to another episode of 3TeamTube, and today I'm making glitter slime. We don't know what color yet, but it's going to be a good color hopefully. Before we get on to anything, I'm going to show you some slimes that I've done before, so let's just move them over. I made this purple slime. I just finished making it right now. I'll open it so you can see. It's nice.
That is a nice one.
So yeah, I just finished making that one. The cloud. Both of my brothers like this one. I don't. No, I don't like slime.
Oh, that one set quite well.
Yeah. It's got a little bit of red in it, but that's okay. My mom's favorite, the orange one, because her favorite color is orange. And it's non-stickable.
That is my favorite.
Non-sticky. I like to make non-sticky slime because then, yeah, it's like non-sticky. And this yellow slime.
That's a good colour too.
This green slime I did last night. Oh, go check out my other video of how to make the orange slime. That was a good video. Green.
Big swamp monster.
I call it the Jurassic Park slime because it's green. The sky blue slime. This was the first slime I made. Don't worry, it's not called chicken sausage rolls. It's not called that. But this is the slime, the first slime that I've made. It's nice blue color.
Oh, it's not sticky anymore, yeah.
It was never sticky. Okay, but it turns you into a Smurf. So we call it the Smurf slime. And the dark purple, that one's actually the lavender slime. This one's a dark purple. For you, it might be black.
It definitely is purple.
It definitely is purple, though.
They've all set quite nicely in those containers, haven't they?
Yep. Okay. Now, I'll show you the few stuff that we will need. I'll be using, oh yeah, and there is tomato sauce slime. And I'll be using one of these glitter tubes. I'll be using the green or the blue, one of them. More glitter tubes. I might be using the blue from here, this blue here, but yeah. I'll put them beside them now. Green food coloring, I would need this. Yeah, it's blue food coloring. Peel a box red food coloring, I won't use this. Everything I won't need, I'll put to the side. So I don't need this. Yellow food coloring, I won't need this, so I'll put it beside. Alright, magical liquid. To put this slime together, I recommend it. And I'll leave that there. Shaving cream. The foam one, it's recommended. But kids don't need it. It's not whipped cream. Washable clear glue. I won't need this, so I'll put it beside. And then we've got the white glue. The washable school glue. I won't need these either. And then we have the classic green glitter glue. I will use this. hopefully to make teal. Then I have a bowl and a spoon and a container to put the slime in afterwards. Let's get making. First, we put in the green glitter glue. I wouldn't put in all of it because I want to save some. That should be enough. So about that much should be good. Now time to add the blue food color. No, the shaving cream. They always put the shaving cream second. About that much would be good. Okay, now it's time to add the food coloring. Only 2 little drops. That should be enough. About that should be good. And now you mix, and hopefully you get a good color. If the blue is taking over the green, you can always add some more glitter glue, because that's what happening. That is what is happening here. If it's not coming out of the tip top, just open the whole bottle. About that. So a big drop and a little drop. And then just mix and mix. Until you get this light, pretty blue color. Now we're going to add the glitter glue. I am going to add the green to match the green glue. Okay. I got it out. If I can open it. Not coming off. Okay, I'll put that beside, and I'll put it in maybe later on in the video. And then just keep stirring, stirring, and stirring. Now, add the magical liquid, and once it's turned to this pretty color. About that should be good, and then mix it together. Scrape around the bowl so you can get all that extra glue. You wouldn't want to play with it and touch it now, since it's like all sloppy and you wouldn't want to get that all over your hands. So you just gotta scrape off the bowl and add. Only little drops, because if you're making a small batch like mine, then drops like as I just put in right now, it should be good. If you get this color, well then well done. If you don't, keep trying. once you're able to lift it up and it breaks apart, it's still trying to get together, so add a little more. Slime is about mixing. Just keep mixing and mixing and mixing. Doesn't matter what you're doing, just keep mixing. If you leave it for a few minutes, it will dry up and yeah, you would have to add a lot of the magical liquid. So do not leave it to mix later. Once you started, you started. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button if you are liking this video. And click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Once it starts to be like this, I think you're almost ready to start mixing with your hands. I think since mine is like this, it's sort of sticking to me, but that's okay. I'll put it on a piece of paper towel here, add a little more, get the spoon quickly, and try and get it off. Get it off the paper towel. Mix it in before you start mixing it in with your hands. It's definitely starting to be ready. So start mixing with your hands, maybe like this or even like this. And get all the extra bits out. Slime is fun to make. You should totally make slime. It comes off when you do this. It's not sticky as it was before, but it still is a little sticky. And just mix. Put some liquid in the bowl, so if you ever need to put it back down, there'll be some liquid in there to put it in. And it wouldn't be that sticky. Should turn out like this. You can even put it in the bowl. You can add more, you can add glitter, but since I couldn't add the glitter, then I put it in after and get your parents to help you. Push it around in the bowl to get all that magical liquid out of the bowl. Do that. Okay. See how there's still some liquid in? It's starting to be less sticky. Just put some more magical liquid in and use it, I guess. Even if you put it on your hands, it will make it less sticky. It would get on and see, I'm kneading it. You gotta knead it to make the slime. I can even put it in a bowl, and yeah. So slime is about kneading and mixing. Now it's looking like Play-Doh. And then, as soon as you put a little more liquid onto it, it should start getting less sticky. Just throw it around, mix it up into a ball just like this with some liquid, like magical liquid on it, and just chuck it around like this until you get that nice and fluffy texture. This is the color I was hoping for. So if you got this color, well done. Then your slime is ready and done. When you're done with it, you can stick it into a container. Stick it into a container, we'll just move this. Stick it into a container, flatten it down so it doesn't stick to the lid like this. And then you can put the container on top. Voila, your very own glitter slime. Thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Bye!